Every time I try to get myself back together, he comes and breaks me up.
Manvi is not someone who'll run, Andhra. She is trouble. Had she been so afraid, she would have never come here. She's about to make a move.
Come on, Maya.
Eyes cannot see the ones who are hidden in the heart.
And I want you to wear this for tonight's party and join along. I just love your hair.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Roy family member whom you were eagerly waiting for is me. Rudra Roy's wife and the daughter-in-law of Andhra and MJ Roy. And I shall write a new chapter in this family. Maya Rudra Roy.
I told you that I like you with long hair. And you have cut them short. I gave you the dress with so much love. And you did not wear it. If you didn't want to wear it, then you could have told me then and there. I would have understood. But mocking my love in this manner? I just don't get it. Maya, you say one thing and you do something else.
Relationships are strange. Everything seems fine, yet nothing's fine. Now, congratulations on your first fight. You have all my blessings. Always, all the time. May you both always keep fighting like this. And may Rudra soon be fed up with his new wife. And the day Rudra abandons you, you know this very well, I'll be the only one left who will support you.
I thought you wouldn't come. Thank you so much.
She had to come. I invited her.
And you know, Rudra, Maya gets what she wants. You think only you have the right to shatter dreams.
You should not have hurt my Rudra, Ananya. Now you will pay for it dearly.
You have tried a lot, but Anu cannot do this to you.
If you are hurt, Rudra, then my heart breaks. I'm so sorry for hurting you like this. I did not even want to hurt you at all.
I know that, Maya. By cutting your hair short and not wearing that dress, you have made me realize. You reminded me that something is lacking in me.
It is not like that, Rudra. Please.
What has happened to Rudra?
He's heartbroken, Antara. Let him feel the pain. Only then he will be able to get over Maya. They will grow apart.
It was I who decided to marry you. So who gave you the right to go away from me? It's our wedding reception. We just got married. So we must dance together.
Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch.
10 years ago, you didn't know how to dance, but I like this. Like always, I will lead and you will follow. Thank you, everybody, for the wonderful dance. And now, the new member of our family, our daughter-in-law, Maya. We have a surprise for you. When a girl goes to her new house and becomes a part of a new family, doesn't mean that she should forget her old household, her old family and her old relationships. So Maya, this is my wedding gift to you.
She has suffered a very big shock. The death of her son and her daughter was very devastating for her. That was about 7 years ago. And to this day, she cannot recall the year she lost her son and daughter. She has completely blocked that year from her mind. And she doesn't even remember anything. Whether it be conversations, people or places. She has no one in life. Luckily, because of your charitable trust, there'll be someone to take care of her. Take care. Thank you.
Dear, you got married and you didn't even tell me?
Mom, well... Oh? Didn't you know anything about it? It is so wrong, Maya. You should have at least told your mom about such a big thing. Let me give you an advice. Where you are standing now, let me tell you, I have been there. A wife is a wife after all, and the other woman holds no value at all. Remember that.
You aren't my wife, and you don't share my last name. It won't be difficult for me to show you your place.
Dia, you have no idea that you are my first target.
That's a grave mistake. Don't call me madam. Call me mother-in-law.
Are you all right? Yeah?
Yes.
Did MJ tell you?
Dear, is that how you address your father-in-law? Rudra considers me as his mother. So you two should respect his dad, okay?
Thank you for guiding me to the right path.
Dear, that's a mother's job. Maya, your new house is very beautiful. Your in-laws are wonderful people.
You should get some rest. You must be tired.
But the party isn't over yet.
Exactly.